In this lab, you are going to study design and implementation of a hybrid controller on rotary pendulum system. There are two objectives of this lab. First, to tell the working of a hybrid controller. Second, to design a hybrid controller for the system. The inverted pendulum system can be modeled using a hybrid controller. Two types of controller that are being used in the inverted pendulum trainer are the swing up control and the balance control. Basically, the main aim of this lab is to swing up the pendulum and to balance it. This can be achieved by using the switching between the two control systems, which are the swing up control and the balance control. When the pendulum is inverted down, the swing up controller is activated to push the pendulum into vertical upright position. When the pendulum reaches within a specific degree, the balance control is activated to balance the pendulum. So using these two switching strategies, the balance of the pendulum is achieved. The circles in this figure are called location and represent two different continuous systems. One is the swing up energy control and another is the balance PD control. The arrows here are called the edges and represent the discrete jumps taken when the certain conditions are satisfied. If the pendulum starts in the downward vertical position, it is in the swing up location of the hybrid automation. The swing up controller pumps energy into the pendulum until it swings within plus minus 2 degree of its upright vertical position. When the pendulum is within that range, the balance control is engaged and it remains in the balance PD control location until the pendulum goes beyond the plus minus 30 degree position range. This is how the hybrid controller is going to work. This is the VI of the swing up control. Here you can see the arm angle and the pendulum angle. Some other balance control parameters are shown here. Here you can adjust the swing up control parameters that you are going to adjust in this lab. Here some of the model parameters are given here. From here you can adjust your set point. And these here are the system response graph. Now I will discuss the lab tasks. In task number 2, you have to do the energy control analysis. Basically, in energy control, you are going to change the reference energy of the pendulum and the swing up control gain parameter, and you have to observe the system response. Let me give you a small demonstration using this video. First, I will change the reference energy and then I will change the swing up control parameter. First I have done the VI. Next I am going to change the reference energy. You can see the amplitude of the voltage here. As soon as I will increase the reference energy, the amplitude of the control signal is going to increase. You can see here, as I am increasing, the amplitude of the control signal is also increasing. Here the oscillations have become faster. Next I am going to change the swing up control gain parameter. As soon as I increase the swing up gain control parameter, the amplitude of the pendulum swings will become greater. You can see here that I have increased the gain parameter and pendulum is swinging at a faster rate. In task number 2, you are going to implement the hybrid swing up controller. Basically, in the hybrid swing up controller, first the swing up controller will be activated and it will try to lift the pendulum to the upright position. When the pendulum will reach within plus minus 2 degree of range, the balance controller will be activated and it will try to balance the pendulum. When the pendulum will again fall down, again the swing up controller will be activated, and when the pendulum will reach again within plus minus 2 range, the balance controller will be activated to balance the controller. Let me give you a small demonstration here. Here I have activated the swing up controller and I am going to change the reference energy. Here you can see that I am increasing the reference energy and the swing up controller is trying to lift the pendulum. Here you can see that the balance controller is now activated as the pendulum is in the upright position and balance controller is balancing the pendulum. At this point the reference energy is 85 millijoule. So you can say that 85 millijoule energy is required to balance the pendulum. Now when I perturb the pendulum, again you can see that the swing up controller is activated, and again after swing up controller the balance control balance it. Here you can see the swing up control is activated, and now the control is shifted to balance controller and it is balancing the pendulum. This is how the hybrid controller works. See the lab manual for the post lab task. Do the analysis of your results and write it in your report and lab manual. This is all for the lab. Thank you.